Today, we're diving into a fascinating concept that bridges the gap between hard science and ancient wisdom: energetic engineering. What is it? Is it about building power plants? Or is it about feng shui and aligning your chakras? Well, the surprising answer is it's both, and so much more. So, let's start with the familiar. In mainstream science, energetic engineering is exactly what it sounds like. We're talking about thermodynamics, where mechanical engineers design systems to harness heat and motion for maximum efficiency. We're talking about electrical engineering, mastering the flow of currents to power our world, and even plasma engineering, which holds the key to things like fusion energy. It also extends to biology, looking at how our bodies engineer energy through metabolic processes, and environmental design, where architects engineer light, sound, and airflow in buildings for sustainability. All of these fields deal with measurable, quantifiable energy, the stuff that makes our modern world run. But that's only half the story. Humans have been engineering energy in a more subtle, experiential sense for thousands of years. Think about traditional systems like Feng Shui, Vastu Shastra, or even Qigong. These are ancient forms of energetic engineering focused on arranging spaces, forms, and even our own bodies to harmonize with what they call Qi, Prana, or life force. Now, you might think this sounds a bit out there, but modern science is actually catching up. When designers today use principles of biophilic design, incorporating nature's patterns into our homes, or carefully manage light to support our natural circadian rhythms, they are doing a form of energetic engineering. These choices have measurable effects on our stress hormones, our heart rate, and our mood. So, even if you see Qi as just a metaphor, the physiological impact is undeniably real. This is where things get really exciting, the frontier where these two worlds collide. Researchers are now exploring what's called biofield science, studying the weak electromagnetic and acoustic fields that surround living things. There's also neuroarchitecture, which investigates how the design of a space directly impacts our brain waves. We're even seeing things like plasma medicine, which uses ionized gases for healing. All this research points to an incredible idea that life itself, and even consciousness, might be a form of self-organizing energetic engineering. Your body is like a dynamic, living circuit, constantly tuning itself to the environment around it. So, whether you're designing a power grid, a peaceful home, or even a personal meditation practice, the underlying principles of energetic engineering are the same. It's all about resonance matching frequencies between a system and its environment. It's about flow, creating clear channels for energy, information, or even emotion to move without resistance. It's about balance, like the yin and yang. Every healthy system needs opposing forces in harmony. And finally, it's about coherence, where all the energy patterns work together, reinforcing each other instead of creating chaos. Ultimately, the goal of energetic engineering, in every sense of the word, is to create systems, be they technological, architectural, or even social, that amplify vitality instead of draining it. It's both a technical discipline about understanding how energy moves, and a profound philosophy of aliveness about ensuring that everything we create supports the beautiful, dynamic flow of life itself. It's about building a world that doesn't just function, but truly thrives. Thanks so much for exploring this deep topic with me today. If you found this interesting, please hit that like and subscribe for more content that connects the dots between science and spirituality.